Hi guys! Welcome back! Okay guys, nandito ako ulit. Punta kami sa guys, sa my drill truck guys. Kukunin namin yung information ng drill truck kasi order na ng pisa guys. Guys, pasensya kasi maalon dito guys. Nandito kami sa tabi ng dagat guys. Sige nyo guys ha. Ayan guys, ayan, nag-drive guys. Diyan guys. Guys, shout out po pala si Sandro. Ayan guys, malupit ang driver guys. Pogi guys, ayan guys. Ito sa mechanic, chip mechanic guys. Ayan, shout out guys. Chip Silverio. Alright guys, ayan guys. So, swimming pool yan guys. Ayan, swimming pool lang guys. Swimming pool. Okay guys. Guys, yan yung buhok ko guys. Ang ganda ng buhok ko guys, no? Tagong gupit guys. Bumata ako guys. Yan guys, ayun yung drill truck guys. Bakit? Okay guys, babay ako mamaya guys. Sige bye guys.